Hello, my name is Asbjørn Guiganti and I'm a TouchDesigner developer, and I want to apply this project for the Laval immersive contest. So this is an AI web drawing application that I created, which I will demonstrate. So the idea is that you can draw anything on a tablet and it will turn into an image. So in this case it's Versailles, hyper-realistic Versailles prompts I created here. We can choose the color here from the application directly. So let me show you how it looks. Looks like this. So here we have the iPad. I can reset the canvas very simply. So this is the results. So let me try to build like a castle. So as you can see, the image creates itself from the areas which I draw in. So I can change the color. Here I can change it to yellow, and it will make something yellowish, like here a window or something else. And of course this image can be translated in many different interpretation of the drawing. So yeah, there's different results possible. So here I can add some red color maybe, and you will see the image is also changing according to this. So this is for me a very poetic way of translating human movement into some sort of art, and I thought this would look great into an exhibition, so that the person can make some art which turns into a reality, and then this art can be let's say saved, or the person can do something out of it. Yeah, it's very unlimited what can be done with this type of application. Voilà.